In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Tools folder that's already on your smartphone, and from it selecting this recording app called Smart Voice Memo. After launching it, make sure to click on Agree, Allow and Allow while using in all pop-ups for it to work. Then use blue button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To delete it right away, click on this one with a bin available on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end it though and save it, click on this check mark on the right. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. Now, to manage it, you can hold it and use those options at the bottom, rename and delete. To play it though, click on it. You can skip it 15 seconds each way if you want to. Now, you can also search keywords at the top, send it thanks to this button at the top right corner. Use those three dots also at the top right corner to delete it and rename it. And last but not least, transcribe it. Over here, click on Select Audio Language, and if it's not correct, tap on blue area, select yours and choose Transcribe, or use this switcher next to Auto Detect if you don't want to look. Either way, tap on Transcribe when you're done. Then you can also create summary and mind map by clicking on one of those options and choosing Transcribe at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!